The deep ocean remains Earth's last frontier, a vast, unexplored realm covering over 70% of our planet. Experts estimate less than 10% of the seabed has been accurately mapped. This immense unexplored territory is a silent archive, potentially holding secrets to lost civilizations far older than recorded history. Marine archaeologists consistently encounter anomalies, challenging established timelines of human development. These discoveries force a re-evaluation of what we understand about ancient societies and their technological capabilities. The pressure is on for scientists to unravel these profound underwater mysteries. Off the coast of Yonaguni Island, Japan, lies one of the most debated underwater structures. Discovered in 1986, the Yonaguni Monument features massive sandstone formations, including flat terraces, straight walls, right angles, and even what appear to be steps and pillars. Geologists like Robert Schoch suggest natural erosion formed these structures. However, marine archaeologist Masaroki Kimura argues they are clearly artificial, potentially a submerged city dating back over 10,000 years. The debate continues, with no definitive scientific consensus on its origin. In the shallow waters off North Bimini Island, Bahamas, lies the enigmatic Bimini Road. This 800-meter-long linear formation consists of massive, rectangular limestone blocks. Geologists largely attribute it to natural beach rock formations, claiming erosion and fracturing created the straight lines. Yet, proponents like Edgar Case's followers and some researchers suggest it is a man-made road or wall, part of an ancient port or even a remnant of Atlantis. Dr. J. Manson Valentine described its paved appearance. The controversy highlights how interpretation shapes our understanding of geological phenomena versus potential ancient engineering. Off the coast of Gujarat, India, lies the ancient city of Dwarka, steeped in Hindu mythology as the legendary kingdom of Lord Krishna. Marine archaeological expeditions, notably by the National Institute of Oceanography, NIO, have unearthed structural remnants, including fortifications, pillars, and pottery, some dating back over 3,500 years. Dr. Srao, a leading marine archaeologist, spearheaded these findings. Critics question the dating methods and the interpretation of structures as a fully developed city, arguing for natural rock formations. However, the consistent discovery of artifacts points towards a sophisticated submerged past. Further south in India, the Gulf of Kambat, formerly known as the Gulf of Cambay, yielded a more astonishing discovery in 2001. Sonar surveys by the National Institute of Ocean Technology, NIOT, detected geometric structures at a depth of 40 meters. These findings included what appeared to be city blocks, grids, and a massive dam-like structure. Carbon dating of recovered artifacts, like wood and pottery shards, suggested an age of 9,500 years, pushing back the known timeline of urban civilization significantly. Critics raise concerns about the context of the artifacts and the reliability of the sonar interpretations. In 2001, off the western tip of Cuba near the Guanahacabibes Peninsula, a team led by Paulina Zalitsky and Paul Weinzweig of Advanced Digital Communications, ADC, reported sonar images of an extensive city-like complex at a depth of 650 meters. The images showed remarkably symmetrical and geometric stone structures, including what looked like pyramids and circular objects. Zalitsky stated the formations are too perfectly arranged to be natural. Despite repeated claims and initial media attention, detailed photographic evidence or expeditions confirming human origin remain elusive, fueling both speculation and skepticism among scientists. While not unexplained, the rediscovery of Thonis Heracleon in Egypt serves as a powerful testament to the ocean's ability to swallow and preserve ancient cities. Found in 2000 by Frank Godio's team in Abu Qir Bay, this major port city, once a gateway to Egypt, disappeared beneath the waves around the 8th century AD. The site yielded colossal statues, temples, and countless artifacts, perfectly preserved. This discovery, though fully explained by geological subsidence, illustrates that entire advanced civilizations can vanish, emphasizing the potential for other, far older, yet undiscovered sunken metropolises to exist. Another example of a confirmed submerged city is parts of ancient Alexandria, Egypt, including Cleopatra's royal quarters. Earthquakes and tsunamis in the 4th and 8th centuries AD caused large sections of the city, including palaces, temples, and artifacts, to sink into the harbor. Excavations led by Frank Gaudio since 1996 have uncovered remarkably preserved structures, sphinxes, and statuary. While the reason for its submersion is well understood, its rediscovery underscores the sheer scale of coastal changes and the potential for other historically significant, but still undiscovered, ancient sites to lie beneath the sea, awaiting discovery by future generations. In 2007, during a sonar survey of Lake Michigan, researchers from the University of Michigan, led by Mark Holley, discovered a series of stones arranged in a circle, reminiscent of Stonehenge. One stone appeared to have a carving of a mastodon. The site is approximately 12 meters underwater. While some scientists acknowledge the striking resemblance to ancient megalithic sites, they caution against concluding it is man-made without further archaeological investigation. The depth and location make traditional excavation challenging, leaving its true nature as an intriguing, unsolved freshwater mystery. In 2011, the Swedish Ocean X team discovered a massive circular object on the floor of the Baltic Sea, sparking intense global speculation. Measuring 60 meters in diameter, the object exhibits features like a pathway leading to it and what appears to be steps. Initial sonar scans showed an unidentifiable, perfectly circular shape. While some hypothesize it's a natural rock formation, others suggest a sunken UFO or an unknown ancient structure. Oceanographer Peter Lindberg stated his team found no geological explanation. Without clear photographic evidence or retrieval, its origin remains a captivating, scientifically unexplained enigma. Though not a civilization in the traditional sense, the discovery of Doggerland profoundly illustrates how vast landmasses and human settlements can be lost to the sea. Located beneath the North Sea, Doggerland was a land bridge connecting Great Britain to mainland Europe, rich with prehistoric settlements. Rising sea levels after the last ice age, combined with a colossal tsunami around 6200 BC, gradually submerged it. Fishermen routinely pull up prehistoric artifacts like tools and mammoth bones. This ongoing discovery, documented by teams like the University of St. Andrews, highlights that not just cities, but entire ecosystems and human territories vanished, waiting to be rediscovered. The primary challenge in analyzing these underwater finds is distinguishing between natural geological formations and artificial structures. Scientists employ advanced sonar, ROVs, and submersibles for mapping and imaging. However, the deep ocean's extreme conditions, immense pressure, perpetual darkness, and corrosive water hinder clear observation and direct sampling. Marine geologists, such as Dr. Robert Schoch, often argue for natural processes like erosion and faulting. Conversely, marine archaeologists like Dr. Graham Hancock emphasize the precision and regularity of some formations, arguing they exceed natural capabilities and point to intelligent design. The debate is ongoing and fierce. Current archaeological understanding places the rise of complex urban civilizations around 6,000 years ago in Mesopotamia and Egypt. However, discoveries like the 9,500-year-old Kambat findings, if confirmed, challenge this timeline dramatically. These anomalies suggest a global cataclysm, perhaps a rapid sea level rise at the end of the last ice age, could have submerged advanced societies. Dr. Randall Carlson, a geological historian, explores this possibility, suggesting ancient cultures possessed knowledge of such events. This narrative contradicts mainstream archaeology, prompting rigorous scrutiny of dating methods and contextual evidence. The persistent myth of Atlantis, described by Plato as a technologically advanced island nation that sank beneath the waves, often surfaces in discussions of these underwater anomalies. While mainstream science dismisses Atlantis as a philosophical allegory, sites like Bimini Road, Cuba's underwater city, and the uniform structures of Yonaguni fuel popular imagination. Proponents argue these discoveries are fragments of a lost Atlantean empire. Scientists, however, demand concrete archaeological evidence, such as definitive tools or writing systems, to bridge the gap between myth and confirmed history. The search for a smoking gun continues. Exploring the deep ocean presents unparalleled engineering and scientific challenges. Pressures can reach over 1,000 times that at the surface, crushing most conventional submersibles. Temperatures hover near freezing, and visibility is often zero. These conditions make even basic observation difficult, let alone detailed archaeological excavation. Dr. Gene Feldman from NASA explains how advanced robotics and remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, are essential, yet still limited. The cost and technical hurdles ensure that vast stretches of the deep sea remain unexplored, leaving countless potential discoveries hidden and science unable to fully explain what lies below. Advances in autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, multi-beam sonar mapping, and artificial intelligence are revolutionizing deep-sea exploration. AUVs can conduct extensive surveys autonomously, covering vast areas more efficiently than manned submersibles. AI algorithms are now processing sonar data to identify unusual patterns and potential archaeological sites, filtering out natural formations. Dr. Shirley Pompany, a marine biologist, states these technologies promise an unprecedented era of discovery. This new frontier of exploration aims to systematically map the ocean floor, potentially unlocking more evidence of lost civilizations and finally providing answers to some of these enduring mysteries. From Japan's Yonaguni to India's Gulf of Kambat, the deep ocean continues to present structures and artifacts that defy easy explanation. While geological explanations are sought, the sheer regularity and scale of some formations challenge conventional scientific understanding. Attribution to ancient, unknown civilizations remains controversial, lacking definitive proof like inscriptions or tools with advanced design. The scientific community grapples with the implications. Are we missing vast chapters of human history? These mysteries underscore the profound gap in our knowledge of Earth's past, urging continued exploration and open-minded scientific inquiry into the depths below.